अस्सलामुअलैकुम नाज़रीन, वेलकम बैक टू brainbox.com। आज की इस वीडियो में हम MS एक्सेल से रिलेटेड MCQs पढ़ेंगे। तो चलें शुरू करते हैं आज की अपनी इस इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो को। What is a cell in Excel? A unit of data is a cell in Excel. Which shortcut keys are used to strike through highlighted selection in Excel? Control +4. In Excel, columns are labeled as dash. The right option is A, B, C, etc. Control +Shift+1 shortcut keys in Excel are used to dash. The right option is formatting numbers in comma format. Which of the following displays the content of the active cell in MS Excel? The right option is formula bar. Which function calculates the largest value in a set of numbers in Excel? The right option is maximum. In MS Excel, which of the following special functions keys allow the content in cell? Space. In MS Excel, dash shortcut key is used for hiding rows. Control +9. Which of the following is not a valid zoom percentage in Excel? The right option is D, 500. Computer spreadsheet capability to allow a pie chart to be generated from data in spreadsheet cells is termed as. The right option is charting. What is the intersection of a column and row called in Excel? The right option is a cell. In a computer spreadsheet, sum, average, minimum and maximum are examples of dash. The right option is functions. What is the function of the sum function in Excel? The function of sum in Excel is to add up a range of cells. Option A. What is the function of if function in Excel? The right option is A, to perform a logical test and return a value based on result. With which of the following all formulas in Excel start? The right option is D. Title bar in MS Excel displays name of the dash. The right option is B. Workbook. In a computer spreadsheet, block of cells is called. The right option is range. User developed instructions for Excel are called. The right option is macros. Which of the following is not an element of computer spreadsheet interface? The right option is pencil work.